Also, if the birds fly low over your heads, make sure that your mouth is closed because you never know what may drop down on you. A power of nature cannot be controlled. So sit back, relax.
Keep your mouth closed because something sometime might drop down. We don't know. Alright, that's all the way to go. Shukran, Fatima. Camera's ready. We're starting the show. Somebody's coming to do the honor to raise the UAE flag for us as a respect. So sit tight. Let's welcome Big Boy with Rex and the beautiful trainer Mariam. He's got a message for everyone. What does it say to you? Say to the friends. They are waiting. He's so happy. W, E, and L, and C. We're going to with O, and M. We say, welcome everybody. Allahu Salam. Raise it up, big boy. Yalla. Pull up, pull up, pull up. One more. Yes, salam. Shukran. We'll take a big boy to Rex. Thank you, Mariam. And now, get your cameras rolling because so many birds are coming back to back. First birds to come and do some dancing. These birds are from around the world. The first bird from South Africa, the second bird from Australia, and third bird is coming from America. Sit back as they come to do some dancing. When are we ready, trainers? It's time to show yourself. This is Marlin with the African grey. That is Ronnie with the gold and blue. And we're gonna have one more to join us shortly. It's Maria with all the way with Kiki. Come on, clap it up. Safula. Give me, give me. We're gonna move it together for it. Love. Mashallah. Come on. Angel sings. I like your smile. I like your style. Round and round, spin around. That is great. Hands up. Super duper awesome. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you, Mariam. All of you look at Merlin and the African grey parrot now. 2 years old. Triangle is a green avocado. We go with the red as an apple. And the square, we're doing one more for blueberries. Bravo! All the children, listen up. If you do this, your mommy, your daddy will be very happy. Clean your own mess. Help mommy and daddy always. Little helping will be appreciated. That's right. He's only 4 years old, but he knows his duty, how he helps it. After cleaning, what you do? You don't forget, close the dustbin. What's your name?
What's your name?
Coco. His name is Coco. Coco, what do you say to our friends in Dubai as respect?
Alright, Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Walaikum salam to everybody. And what Mom told you to ask everybody here?
Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we are good. When you wake up in the morning, what do you say to your friends?
How about in the morning?
Morning. Good morning. Can you show them who's your best friend? The cat. Who is the friend? Staying on the neighbor's house. Dog. Hey, when you see a beautiful lady, what do you do? Only kidding. All the children have their birthday. Let's wish everybody. Happy birthday to all the kids. Let's go. We go home. What do you say to your friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Trainer Marlon. Thank you to the African Grey. Shukran. Friends, now we're going to call some of you to come and help me, alright? Take one. Don't show me. Tal. Okay, when I say 1, 2, 3, show your cards to everybody. 1, 2, 3. Show your cards to everybody. There you go. Find all the way to move it together. So I'm going to turn around. I will take the card from her, put it back, and from the brother, there you go. Okay, shukran. Have a seat. We will put the cards on the table. No looking, no cheating. One straight line. DJ, do you think the bird can come and find the right cards for us? Maybe. So we're going to put all the cards. Let's see if the bird can find the real right card. JJ, let's... What's that? It's a dolphin. It's right. Oh yeah. What's the second card? He's looking for it. And the second card is a parrot. Khalifa. That is right. Thank you, Trainer Maria, all the way with JJ. That's how they do it. And that's the suit over from down. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Let's call in Samson to fly. And ready to go for it for the big boy. With the joy, with the love. Jamila! Thank you so much. Okay, next one. Beautiful flashlight. Yes, to go for it. Light. Flashing light. Yes, to go with the joy. Beautiful! Thank you so much. Thank you, children. Catch the ring, in sync. Alright, in sync. Hold the ring. Ready? 1, 2, let's go. And we fly. Awesome. I saw a little bit like that. Okay, we gotta do it one more time. Don't move, don't shake the ring. As we fly together, here's a beautiful flashlight. Yes, to go for it. Light. Flashing light. Yes, to go with the joy. Beautiful! Thank you so much. And super. Sister, can you please come and hold the ring? Please come. Yes. She will go and do it, and the next lady in the blue, alright? So we give one chance for every corner. Come, hold the ring. We're gonna keep smiling. Ready for it. Don't forget, after the show, everybody can come down and feed the bird. We have a feeding session after the show. So you can feed the birds and all the way. Just catch it and load, and let's do it. Super! That is awesome. Thank you, sister. We appreciate it. Please come and up all the way. Hold it together. You know, they are so amazing. We brought gold and blue Mako. They fly together. Thank you, Maya! Thank you, trainer. All the way, Ronnie Undin. Hey, listen up. That was a round for the ladies. The next round is going to be for the boys, for the daddies. Today we're going to have all the daddies look at me. We're going to put 2 berries on your hand. The bird is going to fly to your hand like this. In the blue. Come, join me. Okay, he's going to join. After 2, you need to close your palm. It will fly to the trainer. Baba is going to try for us. First, this side. I want you to stand there, sir. And your right hand straight upright like this. Okay, keep it steady. Don't so like a cup here. Alright, we're going to fly together with a beautiful one. Now, they both look the same, but which is the boy, which is the girl, always recognize with the mouth. If the beak is small, so can you close your hand? It's a girl. And all the way, rolling, it's a boy. Thank you. Shukran. One more can try. Calm down. On the mark, and keep your right hand straight right. Keep it. Alright. We're going to fly together. Now, when you talk about toucans, there are 42 species of toucans in the world. The one we are watching are called the Tuco toucans. They are super amazing. Good job. Close your wrist, close your palm. Good job. You know, they love to fly, but they cannot fly for a long distance because their wings do not grow big like the other parrots. It's okay. She's having fun around. Thank you so much. Thank you to the bird, national bird of UAE. That's why they love hunting. They love to fly. They are super cool. You see the trainer is wearing a gloves for his safety because the way they land, it can scratch a human hand. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you all the way for Eugene. And now it's time to play basketball. We have 2 baskets, 2 in 2 time. Players, it's time to move it out together. Merlin and Ronnie. We go straight, yeah? 1, 2, fly. Come on. Let's see who's gonna win. Who's gonna win? We're gonna go. Merlin is winning. Merlin is faster now. Keep rolling faster all the way. And we're gonna say joy. Super! That was great. So Team Merlin gets the first point. Thank you so much. Hey, come on, Ronnie. You need to get the second point, man. That was round number 1. Now round number 2 is going to be basketball on the table. But this time we're gonna be doing a bit of running. So no cheating. We're gonna find out who's gonna win where. We're gonna have 1 round here and 1 round there. Hey players, whenever you're ready, it's time for basketball. Round number 2, but no cheating. Trainer Ronnie 0, and this side you have 1 point. So let's see. Oh, you playing for Merlin? Okay, so 1, 2, go. Let's see who's gonna win. Come on, quickly. Come on, Ronnie, you need this point. And super! So the score is 1-1. Now let's play the final. Let's see who's gonna win the final, which team. You see how clever are the birds? They are giving chance for each other to win always. Ready? Let's go. Come on, where's the clapping, friends? Drop it. One more. Awesome. Thank you, teammates. Thank you, birds. Thank you. John Picasso will do painting. You need to guess what the painting looks like. Flower, butterfly, and all the way more and more. This is cockatoo. They are awesome and they are really beautiful. Cockatoos found many places in the world. Australia, Brazil, Papua New Guinea. How you recognize the boy and a girl in a simple way? It's called color of the eye of the cockatoo. If the eye is black, it's known to be a boy. If it turns to be a bit red, it's known to be a girl. But wait, you need to know which cockatoo I'm talking about, because there are 16 species of cockatoo that looks alike. They're same, they come in 4 colors: white, pink, grey and black. The white, pink, grey can live 55, average 60 years. But the one comes in black, that's the only bird in the world that can also reach up to 100 years of age. Okay, take a guess what the painting looks like a flower, like a rainbow, or like a bird.
What is it?
Like a rainbow, that's a good one. Anybody else? Like a bird. Like a bird. Like me? Like bird, okay, yes. Like a bird? Bird. John, hey teacher, what do you think? Flowers. Oh, okay. John, teacher said flowers. Is it? No! Many of them said it looks like a bird. No. How about some rainbow? Like who? Like me. What do you mean like me? Can you give me an example? Like me, like what? Like a monkey. I look like a monkey to you. What? Kids, do I look like this? Yeah, if you say yes, you will not go outside. Thank you so much, Nandi. We appreciate it, big boy. Thank you so much. Sultan is mashallah 7 years old. This is a family from the golden blue, the 3rd largest parrots in the world. They are superly awesome, they are superly magical. The largest macaw we call the hyacinth. It will be dark blue in color. This is with 2 colors, gold and blue. Thank you always.